हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सनराइज वाले सुनील सर। स्वागत करता हूं मैं आप सबका अपने यूट्यूब चैनल सनराइज वाले सुनील सर पे। अगर आप भी अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहते हैं, ग्रामर सीखना चाहते हैं, तो आज ही आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। हम सिखाएंगे आपको हिंदी के विचार को अंग्रेजी में व्यक्त कर सकते हैं, अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं। अंग्रेजी बोलना उतना ही आसान है जितना कि हिंदी बोलना। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाला हूं अपने क्लास के कुछ बच्चों का प्रेजेंटेशन। आप देखें और सीखें आप भी कि कैसे वो बच्चे अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं। अगर वो बच्चे बोल सकते हैं तो आप भी बोल सकते हैं। आज के इस वीडियो में उनके विचारों जनवरी की कहानी उन्हीं बच्चों की जुबानी।
Good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Gulsnavana from Purma Samadganj and I am the student of class 9th. Today I am going to speak on the topic Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day every year on 26th January with great joy, respect and patriotism. This day holds a very special place in the history of our country. On 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force and India became. The Constitution is the supreme law of our nation. It was drafted under the leadership of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is known as the father of Constitution. Provides us fundamental rights such as the rights to equality, freedom, education and justice. It also reminds us of our duties as a responsible citizen. Republic Day is not just a national holiday, it is a day to remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai and many others dedicated our country from British rule. Because of their courage and sacrifices, we are living an independent and democratic nation today. On this day, a Grand Republic Day parade is held at Kartavya Path in New Delhi. The parade showcases India's rich culture, tradition, unity in diversity and military strength. The beautiful tableau from different states represent the cultural heritage of India. Our brave soldiers, police forces and school children also participate the parade and filling every Indian heart with pride. Republic Day Republic Day teaches us the importance of unity, equality and brotherhood. India is the land of many language, culture and tradition. Uh, Still we live together peacefully. This is our greatest strength. And as the responsible citizen of India, we must respect each other and maintain harmony in society. A student plays a very important role in shaping the future of the nation. Should be disciplined, honest, and hardworking. Is the most powerful tool to bring positive change in society. We must respect our teachers, parents and elders, follow the rules of our country and always stand for truth and justice. Today, let us take a place to be a responsible citizen and let us promise to protect the dignity of our nation and respect the constitution and contribute to the development of our country uh, through our good actions. In the end, I would like to say that Republic is a reminder that the future of India lies in our hand. Together, we can make our nation uh, strong, peaceful, and prosperous. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Anjali Yadav, research from Sonata Damarwa and daughter of Mr. Ashok Kumar Yadav. Now I would like to talk about the historic day when India truly became a nation of laws and values on 26th January. And 26th January not just a date in a calendar, it's a symbol of India's pride and prosperity.
Good morning to all of you. Myself, Mansan Sai. I live in Samadgan, Jaunpur. My father name is Mr. Ilyas Ansari. My mother name is Mrs. Sabna. Today my topic is 26 January. The constitutions came into effect on 26 January. The constitutions came into effect on 26 January in 1950. This day reminds us of stabilized law and justice in India, guarantee every citizen the right to equality, liberty and justice. This day reminds us of guarantee of all these freedom fighters who sacrificed their life to secure our independence and lay the foundation of this glorious republic. Our India is a unique country where people of different religion, language and culture live together, and this diversity is our greatest strength. Our country shows us the path to a strong democracy where every citizen has to right express and themselves
My
fulfill
name is
their
Ankita Yadav from Topapur and daughter of Mr. Surprakash Yadav and Mrs. Anita. I am going to tell about my topic. My topic is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. 26th January. It is a national festival of India. It is a very important day for us. Our constitution came into forces 26 January 1950. India became a secular and democratic on this day. The constitution is the supreme law of India. On this day, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar now as a father of.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Hariom Bind from Chandpur. My father name is Suresh Bind and my mother name is Madhuri Bind. That's all my introduction. Having a friend is very important in life. Friends tell us that we should not waste our time on unless activities. Friends support us in everything we do. Friends give us good advice and good opinions. Friends tell us how to meet a man and how not to meet a man. We should go and we should not go. Friends, I tell you that we should not fight with anyone. As you know that friendship is very important. It is very beautiful relation. To make a friend is called friendship. In the world, anybody can be friends of anyone. Any friendship does not look caste. Friendship does not look religion. Friendship does not look poorness and rich. There are many friendships which are so popular among us as the friendship of Krishna and Sudama, the friendship of Krishna and Arjun, the friendship of Akbar and Birbal, the friendship of Jaya and Biru, the friendship of Duryodhan and Kar. Now I would like to tell you about my best friend. My best friend name is Srikant Singh. He is laborious, he is plucky, he is kind, he is great, he is not dishonest, he is not cruel, he is not thief. He does not drink wine, he does not smoke, he has car, he has bike, he has cow, he has dog, he has not truck, he can speak English and Marathi, he can drive bike and car, he cannot abuse any one person, he cannot fight with any one person.
Hello friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Mufsaya Bano. I am from Purma Samadganj. My father name is Muhammad Saeed Ansari and my mother name is Mrs. Taira Begum. That's all my intro. Now I want to talk about 26 January. As you know that there are three national festivals celebrated in our country: 2 October, 15 August and most important one is 26 January. We celebrate Republic because the Constitution came into effect on this day. Do you know what is Constitution? Who made it? How many days was completed it? How many articles there in it? Let me tell you, the Constitution was the complete law for running the country. It was made by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and other friends together. The Constitution made in about 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. It was adopted in 26 January 1949 and 350 articles there in it. The main purpose of our constitution is to maintain the unity and integrity of our country and promote the justice, equality and freedom of thought. Now I want to talk about Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a great revolutionary freedom fighter of India, born on 27 September 1907 in 1907 Banga village of Bihar, who sacrificed his life for India independence. He was a member of HRA, Hindustan Republican Association, which adopted the path of revolution after the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. He bombed the Central Assembly in Delhi, where he shouted a slogan, Vande Mataram, and he was finally hanged in Lahore jail on 23 March 1931 at the age of 23. After he became immortal, Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was his legacy continuous inspired to country's youth today. He is also known as Shahid-e-Azam. Thank you.
इन बच्चों ने तो अंग्रेजी बोलना शुरू कर दिया, आप कब कर रहे हैं? ज्यादा ना सोचे, ज्यादा अपना समय ना बर्बाद करें, आज ही आप भी शुरू करें अंग्रेजी बोलना और ज्वाइन करें सनराइज क्लासेस। अगर आप सनराइज क्लासेस में नहीं आ सकते हैं तो आप घर बैठे भी अंग्रेजी बोलना सीख सकते हैं हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल सनराइज वाले सुनील सर की मदद से। आज ही हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो लाइक जरूर करें। थैंक यू।